Hi guys, my name is Arina and welcome back to my channel where I review everything tech. In today's video, let's do the unboxing of the new iPhone 12 and without further ado, let's get right to it and open the box. I got my iPhone 12 in blue since I'm always curious about new colors and I think you've already heard it many times, but I still have to say it, this box feels so unusual, it's so slim. For a quick comparison, this is the box from the iPhone 11 and this is the box with the iPhone 12. And this phone feels kinda nostalgic, reminds me of the iPhone 5. And honestly guys, I was expecting this kind of design last year when the iPhone 11 was coming, but as you can see, we have it this year with the iPhone 12 lineup. In the box we get a USB-C to Lightning cable, and a manual with a SIM tool and an Apple sticker. As promised, there is no power adapter in the box. The iPhone 12 has a ceramic finish with an aluminum frame, and I'll be honest with you guys, when I just opened the box, my first thought was, isn't this phone too square for 2020? But after about 5 minutes playing with this phone, I must say this design kinda grew on me and I think I like it. It feels kinda new and unusual, but at the same time very familiar. One of the things that feel different on this phone is the buttons. They're flat, just like the whole frame of this phone, and these buttons feel good. Another thing that caught my eye right away was this thing right here, and in case you're wondering, this is the 5G antenna since this phone, just like the whole iPhone 12 lineup, supports 5G. By the way, the iPhone 12 is noticeably lighter than the iPhone 11, and this is actually amazing news. When it comes to the display of the iPhone 12, finally we get an OLED display on this phone. It's 6.1 inch, just like on its predecessor, the iPhone 11. However, we have obviously smaller bezels on the iPhone 12. So basically, we get the same display size, but overall smaller phone. The iPhone 12 feels more comfortable in my hand since it's slimmer, and the overall design feels more ergonomic. Let's see what new stills we get on the iPhone 12, and here they are. We get 3 new stills with a dark mode variation for each of them. And we also have some new live wallpapers. When it comes to the camera setup, we get a dual 12-megapixel camera on this phone, the new main camera with the aperture of 1.6 and the ultra-wide camera. Of course, this year with the iPhone 12 we get some of the new camera features such as HDR video recording with Dolby Vision, night mode time-lapse, and the night mode on the ultra-wide camera, which I'm most excited about. I'll talk about all the new camera features in more detail in my comprehensive review and camera comparisons, so stay tuned for them. But for now, I took a few photos with the iPhone 12 for you guys. Let me know what you think. Speaking of the front-facing camera, we have a 12-megapixel camera with the aperture of 2.2, and let's take some selfies. We get the deep fusion feature on the front cameras of the whole iPhone 12 lineup, and most importantly, we get the night mode on the selfie camera. When it comes to the battery life of the iPhone 12, Apple promises us that we get an upgrade when compared to the iPhone 11, but we'll see how this phone does in the real world. I'm super excited to spend more time with this phone, especially when it comes to the camera of the iPhone 12, and I'm currently working on my new camera comparison video. Let me know what you guys think about the new iPhone 12, and if you have any questions that I could cover in my upcoming videos, let me know in the comments below. Thank you so much for watching this video, and see you in the next one!